Here's another order of operation type question that many people get wrong. So remember, with order of operations, we're thinking PEMDAS, GEMDAS, BEDMAS, BODMAS, PEMDAS. 4 steps. This one here, no parentheses. This one here, no exponents. So next up, multiplication. Now here's where people get tripped up. They see those 7 minus 7s here, and they think, oh, that's easy. I'll just start with that, and then I have 0 times 0 makes 0. Nope. We got to do order of operation. So multiplication goes first. So the first thing we're going to change is this part here, this 7 times 7, or negative 7 times 7, depending on how you want to think of it. Normally in math, the symbol in front of the number, we do include with the value of that number. So this first 7 here, that one stays. It just stays a 7. And then this minus 7 over here, that stays as well. There's that minus 7 there. Okay, so now we have that middle portion, the multiplication portion. So whether you're thinking negative 7 times 7 or minus 7 times 7, that's still going to be a minus 49. That's the only thing that's going to change. It's going to be a minus 49 there. Okay, and that's this part right there goes there. There's no more multiplication, so we're done with the multiply divide step. Now we just have the add subtract step. Generally speaking, we go left to right. So we're going to go 7 minus 49 and then minus another 7. Now with this one here, if you are a little bit on the advanced side, you can move around a little bit. You can think, oh, well, I have a 7 and a minus 7. Well, that's going to make 0. And then minus 49 makes negative 49. So the answer for this one is negative 49. So if you want to do the 7 minus 7 first, you sure can. You just got to remember that that symbol in front of that 7 there stays with the 7. That's a minus 7 that I have circled. Okay? And then with a positive 7 just makes 0. If you want to go left to right, you can do that. So that would be changing the 7 minus 49. And that's going to make a negative 42. And then minus 7 is going to make negative 49. And that's all there is to it. So if you like this, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. If you disliked it, hit the thumbs down button twice, just to make sure.